In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add captions to Facebook videos. Start by opening Meta Business Suite and making sure you are inside the correct Facebook business account. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Content. This will take you to the area where you can manage your published and scheduled posts. Next, go to the top section and click the Videos tab. This will filter your content so you only see video posts. From here, find the video you want to update with captions and click on it to open the post details. After opening the video, look for the Edit Video option. In some cases, you may need to click the three dots first and then choose Edit Post. This will open the editing screen for that video. Now scroll down until you see the Subtitles and Captions section, sometimes marked as CC. This is where you can add or update the caption text for your video. If captions are not already there, you can manually type them in. If you already have the caption text prepared, you can paste it directly into the captions editor. Once the captions are in place, take a moment to review everything carefully. Use the built-in editor to fix any spelling mistakes, timing issues, or wording errors. This step is important because clear captions make your video easier to understand and more accessible for viewers. After you finish editing, click Save or Update to apply the changes to your video. Facebook will then save the new caption settings, and your video will display the updated subtitles for viewers. If you are adding captions regularly, it is a good idea to review each video before publishing or updating it. That helps make sure your captions match the spoken audio and appear clearly for your audience. Captions can improve accessibility and make your videos easier to follow, especially for people watching without sound. Inside Meta Business Suite, the process is simple once you know where the editing tools are located. Open your content, filter to videos, choose the post you want, enter the subtitles and captions section, add your text, review it, and save your changes. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.